Hazel. Hi, big girl. Hi. How's my big girl today? Are you 2 months old? Are you 2 months old today? Those hiccups again. Oh no. Oh no. You kicking? Let's see your kicks. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Are you looking for that thumb? Are you trying to find your thumb? Are you gonna find your thumb? Uh-oh. Oh no. Almost found it that time. You almost got it that time. Hi, boo. What's that? What's that? Hi, big girl. That's right. Uh-huh. Are you talking? Are you talking to Mama? 2 months old. Say bye. One more smile. Can you give me one more? One more. Hi, big girl.